I was weighing 93 kilos. People used to say, Himani, you can't do it. But I did not listen to any of them. So I had this perseverance and that strong will in my mind that I can do it. Currently, I weigh 63 kilos. I am planning to be 55 kilos, and I think in another matter of 2 to 3 months, I'll reach my goal. Hi, my name is Himani Khera. I belong from Delhi. I've been always an obese child. You know, I've been grown up with all sort of bully remarks and people pulling me down. You know, when you're overweight, you would not be able to fit into right clothes or probably clothes which you are liking.
कहीं पे भी जाते थे, हम शॉप्स पे जाते थे या कुछ है, उसकी ड्रेस ही नहीं मिलती थी पहले तो. मतलब हम देखते थे और भागते थे कि नहीं मिलेगी शॉप.
So I used to fit into double XL size, and there was a time I also used to fit into triple XL size. I'm just 28, I'm just 30. How can I not wear, clothes of my choice or my attires? Things started taking toll on me, I think in a very ugly way, because I was depressed. I had PCOD, I have cyst in my ovary, and that was a time when the physician told me it's about time that you need to take care of your health. Somewhere I feel that how you look like does matter, because when you enter the room, people don't know about your education or your qualification. What do? So people will perceive you as per your persona, your personality. So I think that kind of really put me on with the journey of fitness, and then that's how I started. During the lockdown, I had no trainer, the gyms were closed. I had no one who can actually give a guidance to me, and that's how Fitter came into picture. So I remember I joined the Fitter group in Facebook in the year 2016. As I used to watch their videos, how the mentors and the coaches used to train other people, I could see if this 112 kg girl can transform herself into 55 kilo, then what is stopping me? I remember I used to make videos and people used to make fun of me because I used to hold the cold drink bottles, that 5-liter bottles in my hand, because during that time we had a lockdown and I could not purchase the dumbbells and the weights. The best part about this platform is no matter what all kgs you are overweight with, people will not laugh on you. You can post your pictures, you can post your videos, you can tell your stories, you can actually vent out how you feel, and the best part is no one is going to judge you. I remember I posted one of a question on a Fitter group that I have never been into fitness and I'm 93 kilos and people bully me, and there's no one who can help me out with the guidance and support. I remember one coach was there, so he told me that, Himani, you don't have to feel dejected about it. We are here to help you out. That willingness and that approach of coming forward and helping people is amazing. So I used to eat a lot of junk food. I used to gorge on a lot of chole bhature. I used to start my day with eating aloo ka paratha. So I would say now I have cut down on a lot of sweets, cold drinks.
अब ये जॉब से आती है एकदम से, मतलब बैठती भी नहीं, एकदम से अपना चेंज करती है, स्टार्ट हो जाए और इतने पसीने आ रहे. मैं कहती हूँ तो धन्य है कि मतलब तू कैसे तू कर रही है, तू इतनी. मैंने कहा मैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकती. और अकेले अपना म्यूज़िक लगा के डांस भी करती है, म्यूज़िक चला के अपना जिम कर रही होती है. मैं कहती हूँ कमाल है, तेरी मेहनत जो है सफल हुई है.
When I started reducing weight, a lot of my medical issues started getting vanished off. So as I mentioned, I had a cyst in my ovary. It melted down because I reduced my weight. So mentally, I'm more charged up for the entire day. Again, I would say all thanks to Fitter. I think this is one platform for all your health needs.